Good morning, Raj.
Good morning, Neha.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. What about you?
I also slept well.
What is the plan for today?
First, I will prepare breakfast, then, I will do some housework.
Okay. What are you making for breakfast?
I am making tea and sandwiches.
That sounds great.
What about you? When will you go to the office?
I will leave at 9 a.m.
Don't forget your lunchbox today.
Yes, thanks for reminding me.
Also, please come home early today.
Why? Is there anything special?
Yes, we need to go to the market in the evening.
Okay, I will try to come early.
Thank you.
Do you need anything from the office side?
Yes, please bring some fruits while coming back.
Sure, I will bring them.
And also some milk.
Okay, I will remember.
Have your breakfast first.
Yes, I am coming.
Here is your tea.
Thank you. The tea is very good.
I'm glad you like it.
What will you do after finishing your work?
I will take some rest, then watch a movie.
That's good. You should also rest.
Yes.
Okay, I will get ready now.
Alright, don't be late for the office.
Yes, I won't.
Take care.
You too, bye.
Bye. Have a nice day. Welcome back, Raj.
Thank you. I'm tired today.
Sit and relax. I will bring water.
Thank you.
Did you bring the fruits and milk?
Yes, I brought everything.
Great.
Shall we go to the market now?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, get ready.
I'm ready. Let's go. So, friends, this was a simple daily conversation between husband and wife. I hope you learned some useful daily use English sentences from this video. You can use these sentences in your daily life to improve your English. If you liked this video, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy English learning videos. We will come back with more interesting and useful conversation. Till then, keep practicing and keep improving your English. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.